Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car wash brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. These products have been carefully reviewed to help you make the right choice for your car cleaning needs. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive into the countdown and see which brush comes out on top. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Nikos MK 62-inch car wash brush kit. With an impressive 17-piece set, this kit is ideal for those who want a comprehensive cleaning solution for their car, RV, truck, or even home. The standout feature here is the adjustable aluminum pole that extends up to 62 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. The chenille microfiber brush heads are scratch-free and machine-washable, ensuring durability and a streak-free finish. The inclusion of a windshield squeegee and detailing brushes makes this kit versatile for cleaning windows, tires, and interior surfaces. In terms of design and build, the microfiber heads are well made, offering soft and absorbent cleaning power. The aluminum poles are lightweight yet sturdy, and the organizer bag is a thoughtful touch for keeping everything in one place. However, the kit's weight at 3.58 pounds might feel slightly cumbersome during prolonged use. User reviews have praised the kit's versatility and value, but some have noted that the detailing brushes could be more robust. Overall, the Nikos MK kit provides great value for those seeking a one-stop solution for car and home cleaning. Its wide range of tools makes it ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy detailing their vehicles. The only downside is that it might be overkill for someone looking for just a simple car wash brush. If you need a comprehensive kit for multiple purposes, this is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Neva Pal 52-inch car wash brush. This brush combines functionality and ergonomic design, making it a great option for those who want a simple yet versatile cleaning tool. Its soft bristle brush head features high-quality PVC bristles that are gentle on surfaces, while the rubber bumper protects your vehicle from accidental scratches. A built-in squeegee adds convenience, allowing you to dry surfaces streak-free after washing. The adjustable stainless steel handle extends up to 48.5 inches, providing flexibility for cleaning various surfaces, such as cars, RVs, boats, and even house siding. The 11-inch brush head covers a large area, saving time during cleaning. The lightweight design and rubberized grip make it easy to handle, although some users have reported that the handle twist lock mechanism might loosen over time. Additionally, the fixed 45-degree angle design is great for reducing strain while cleaning, but it may limit maneuverability for intricate detailing. In terms of value, the Neva Pal brush offers excellent performance for general cleaning tasks. While it may not have the bells and whistles of multi-piece kits, its durability and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice for everyday use. If you're looking for a straightforward car wash brush that gets the job done effectively, this is a solid pick. At number 3, we have the Harazaka 15-degree curved car cleaning brush. This brush stands out for its thoughtful design and ease of use, particularly for cleaning tall vehicles like trucks, RVs, and boats. The 15-degree curved aluminum handle allows for easier access to hard-to-reach areas without straining your back. Its telescopic handle adjusts between 22 and 43 inches, offering versatility for different cleaning scenarios. The microfiber chenille brush head is soft, absorbent, and scratch-free, making it safe for delicate surfaces like paint and glass. The build quality is impressive, with thickened aluminum alloy ensuring durability and rust resistance. The EVA foam grip adds comfort, preventing slipping during use. The brush head features 4 centimeters long microfiber bristles, which excel at trapping dirt and grime while remaining gentle on surfaces. However, the rotating design may feel slightly wobbly during vigorous scrubbing. Additionally, assembly is required, which might be a minor inconvenience for some users. The Harazaka brush is ideal for those who prioritize ergonomics and durability. Its multi-purpose use makes it suitable for both vehicle cleaning and household tasks like dusting ceiling fans or cleaning windows. While it may not have a wide range of attachments, it excels in its simplicity and efficiency. This brush is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable tool for routine vehicle maintenance. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Wantolf 62-inch car wash brush kit. This kit provides exceptional value with its comprehensive set of cleaning tools, including a long handle, microfiber mitts, squeegee, towels, and a wheel brush. The 62-inch extendable aluminum pole is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to maneuver for cleaning tall vehicles or hard-to-reach areas. The chenille microfiber mitts are machine washable, scratch-free, and highly absorbent, ensuring a thorough clean without damaging surfaces. The standout feature is the spring button mechanism for quick assembly and disassembly, allowing you to switch between a mop head and handheld mitt effortlessly. The squeegee provides streak-free drying for windows and mirrors, while the microfiber duster is perfect for interior cleaning. However, the kit's numerous components might feel overwhelming for users who prefer a simpler setup. Additionally, while the microfiber towels are excellent for detailing, they could be slightly larger for better coverage. The Wantolf kit is perfect for car enthusiasts who want a versatile and complete cleaning solution. Whether you're washing your car, RV, or boat, this kit has you covered. Its multifunctional tools make it a great investment for both vehicle and household cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a feature-packed kit at a reasonable price, this is a fantastic option. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot is the Carcares 10-inch car wash brush head. This brush is a top contender for its simplicity, high-quality construction, and exceptional performance. Its 10-inch quad-sided brush head features super soft bristles made from exclusive material, softer than competitors, ensuring a scratch-free wash every time, whether you're cleaning your car, RV, truck, or boat. This brush delivers consistent results without compromising your paint or finish. The versatility of the Carcares brush is unmatched. It can be used as a flow-through brush when paired with a hose attachment or as a dip brush for manual scrubbing. The durable bristles boast superior resilience, maintaining their shape even after repeated use. The brush head is compatible with most standard threaded broom handles, making it easy to attach to an extension pole for added reach. While it doesn't include a handle, its compact design and lightweight build make it a favorite among users looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning tool. Ideal for exterior cleaning tasks, the Carcares brush excels in its simplicity and effectiveness. Its high-quality bristles and durable construction make it perfect for both casual users and detailing professionals. If you're looking for a no-nonsense brush that gets the job done while protecting your vehicle's finish, the Carcares 10-inch car wash brush head is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right car wash brush for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products or need more recommendations, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. See you in the next video.